What's good, to Will fam? It's your boy E, and today we have the Kemimoto slip-on exhaust that I'll be installing on my 2021 Ninja 400. Initially, I was gonna go with the Leo Vinci LV10, but for a third of the price and a 4.8 out of 5-star rating, I figured this Kemimoto exhaust would do just fine. So now that you know what we're here for, let's get to it. Okay guys, so this should be a quick and easy installation. To get started, you'll need a few basic tools. I have here an adjustable wrench, a 3mm and a 4mm hex key, a Phillips screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. Let's go. So now that we're all set up and have everything that we need, let's start this install. First things first, let's remove this heat shield. I'm gonna start down here with the Phillips screwdriver, and that actually loosened up easy enough. And next, using the 4mm hex, we loosen this screw here as well. Don't lose any of your parts, just in case you want to reinstall the factory exhaust. And all it is a simple slide down, pull out, and just like that, the heat shield is removed. So with the heat shield removed, we can start removing this factory exhaust. And pardon me guys, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you in the beginning of the video that you will also need a 12mm socket to get this bolt off. Let's go. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Now we will switch to our 10mm hex, and we will start removing this bolt as well. Again guys, don't forget to keep all of your factory parts. And just slide it up, and voila. Okay guys, so before I install this Kemimoto exhaust, just wanted you guys to see the size difference between the two. It's pretty substantial, and honestly the weight difference is pretty substantial too. I think you're saving about 5 pounds by switching out these two exhausts. So we're about halfway there guys, and it's time to see just how easy it is to actually install this slip-on exhaust. Also, just to be transparent, this mid pipe and these springs did not come pre-attached to the exhaust. I did that myself before I came out to do the install, assuming that it would make my life easier. So hopefully it will. If not, I guess we'll be backtracking and doing it again. Let's see. So this should be as easy as slipping this mid pipe here onto this pipe. Oh, that was a smooth, easy fit. So it looks like it did pay off to have those springs already on. And we will take this clamp and slide it over the exhaust, making sure that these metal pieces do not hit the exhaust, because it will indeed leave a mark that I'm sure you don't want on your exhaust. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna be straight up. Slipping this clamp on and getting it flush here, it's a little bit of an effort. Everything else has been going smooth thus far, but I just want to be completely transparent and let you guys know that it's going to take some tinkering to get it just right. I suggest you take your time and get it how you like it, so that you get the look that you're trying to achieve. Alright, you don't want to strip it, but you want to make sure you got it nice and snug. Alright, now that we have finished getting the clamp on up top, we're going to slide down to this clamp here. You can adjust it however you want. I'm going to put it in the back because I don't want the hardware to be too noticeable. And with my 10mm socket, it's going to tighten this bad boy up. And now that we got that on there nice and snug, looks like we are done installing this Kemimoto carbon fiber look exhaust on my 2021 Ninja 400. With that being said, I hope this video was helpful. And if you enjoyed it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow my 2 Instagram accounts. If you're a sneakerhead, SoulFinesse82. And for the bike, 2 Wheels Finesse. Links will both be down in the description. Until next time, I'm out.